Welcome back, my fellow banana builders. It's your pal Bananchik. Last time we learned about saving, but today I discovered a golden secret that turned out to be a trap. Want to see what happened? Bananchik is walking when he sees a bright poster. Get the golden card. Bananas for free now. Pay later. Bananchik beams. Wow, I can buy that super telescope right now without waiting for my paycheck. Bananchik starts spending. Beep, beep. He buys the telescope, a mountain of candy, and even a golden scooter. He feels like the richest monkey in the jungle. This is magic, he thinks. A month passes. The male parrot arrives with a bill. Bananchik is terrified. What? I borrowed 100 bananas and now I have to give back 200, but I don't have that many. Guys, remember, a credit card isn't free bananas. It's someone else's bananas that you have to pay back with extra. Only borrow if you absolutely have to. Don't let the golden card trick you. Be smart with your bananas. If you want to become a real money master, hit that subscribe button and join our troop. There's so much more to learn. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.